Traders, let's take a look at what's on the move this morning. Moving this morning, we got TWLO down over 5%, over 600,000 traded pre-market. That's in play. MYOK, the stock was in play yesterday, and it looks like it's in play this morning too. Down over 1%, over 200,000 traded pre-market. That's in play. BYND, this stock's been in play for a couple of weeks now, maybe more. Been in play for a while. Up over 2%, almost 300,000 traded pre-market. That's in play. We've got quite a few here we can work with, so let's go see what we can get. All right, we are short TWLO at 46.96. Looks good here. I mean, it's just the first candle here, but it tried to climb there. Gaps down, tried to climb there, and then it pulled back. Oh, now it's going over here. It stinks. But we still think it drops here. Stop loss is going to be probably over 47.60 area, and target will be below 46.50 area. But I probably went in this trade a little too early here. But we'll see. It is down for the morning. All right, TWLO, we're going to come out of this. I don't like this anymore. All right, we're out. Took, what is that, 20-cent loss. TWLO, let's take this for a short right here. All right, we are short at 186.81. It's a little extended here, and I probably should have waited for a pullback, but market's dropping hard. This sucker's dropping hard. I think it's got a couple more point drop here, so target's going to be around below 185, and stop loss will be over 188. All right, here we go. Here we go. All right, we got 80s. Oh, nice. No, a little bit more. I think it's got a little more drop in it here. Come on, a little bit more. All right, let's just take this here. All right, we got. All right, cool. We're out. We're out. About 90 cents. There it is, still dropping. We could have got another point there. Look at that. All right, we are long ZM. We just want to break out here. Should be a pretty explosive move. So target on this thing is going to be, we'll take it right here. Let's take this right here if we can. Come on, a little bit more. Come on, don't pull back like that. Stop loss will be below around 64, but I don't see why this thing don't continue here. As a matter of fact, I'm going to cancel this order. I think it'll go higher. I think we can get this over 166 easy here. Come on. But it is taking sweet time here. You know what? We're going to come out of this right here. It's taking too long. Come on. I'm going to push this down a little bit here. Come on. All right, we're out. We're out. We only took about 55 cents. And it's probably going to break out here, but it's taking too long for me. And if it pulls back there, it should be a good sized pullback too. You know, it goes both ways. You got people that buy here thinking it's going to explode just like I did. And they put their stops right here, right around 64. And once it goes back down to 64, you're going to get a swoosh down. BYND, we're going to long this right here at the bid. All right, we are in BYND at 143.01. This looks exactly like the last trade we were just in. You know, strong. Look at the daily. Daily is super strong, right? So we know there's a lot of buyers in this. So gaps up, rallies, drops. Now it's rallying again. Now we're close to the highs here. All right, here we go. Here we go. Tons of stops up here. We're going to see if we can get a point off of this, and stop loss will be about a point. But at the same time, you're going to have a lot of stops down here around 142 area too. All right, market looks like it's getting weak here. All right, let's just get out of this trade. All right, we're out. Took about 45 cents. And again, this might break out here, but the market's weak. If we look at the SPY, it's coming back down again. Look, it's going to explode right here. I should have stayed in it. Now it's got no chance. Now they're going to take out all the orders up here. Boom. BYND, we are short at 143.74. This looks great here for a breakdown. It's been chopping around this area for a while, and it finally broke that area there. So we think we can get a point off of this. Target is going to be around 142.75, about a point. And stop loss will be over 144.70 area, about a point each way. But this looks great. It's been chopping around for a while here. And it's trying to break this area. So we think it's going to snap it and drop hard. All right, we got almost a point here. See if we can get a little bit more. I don't see why it doesn't crack 140. All right, here we go. Here we go. Let's take this right here if we can. Let's pull them back. Come on. One more time. One more drop below 143. All right, that's not going to drop there. Let's cancel that. We're going to take this right here if we can. All right, we're out. Not for as much as I wanted. That's all right. We still took 50 cents, a little over 50 cents. All right, we are in TWLO short. It's our second trade on it. We took it, I think we took it long earlier, and it worked out pretty well. We almost got a point off of it. But now it opened and it dropped. We took it short somewhere around here and it dropped some more afterwards. But then it rallied hard. Rallied hard from the lows here all the way up to almost 196. That's a big rally. Market is dropping. Look at the SPY. Market is dropping. Okay, so we got tailwind there. This thing is super extended. Look at the daily. Look at how extended this is. It needs a pullback, a severe one. Hasn't had it yet. It's trying here, but at the same time, we're getting a bull flag here, which means this cycle will probably blast off. But before it blasts off, we should see a good sized pullback. And it's starting here. It just started. So we're thinking it's going to crack the lows here at 192 and go down to at least 191, and that's going to be the target, about 2 points. And stop loss will be around over 194. I'm going to give it a little over a point stop loss. Just because this is a big mover, and these stocks, if you don't let them breathe, you're always going to get out of them. If you give them 20-cent stop losses, you might as well just not even take it. My opinion. Once it cracks 192, we're going to have ourselves a nice trade here. There's a lot of stops in this area. A lot of stops here because of this area, and it cracked it, but it's sustaining right now. Now it needs to crack this area here. All right, here we go. We're at 192. All right, let's take this right here if we can. Come on, hit us. All right, nice. Not as much as I wanted. Oh, and there it goes. Now it's dropping. Now it's dropping hard. We only took 90 cents off that trade. We wanted at least 2 points, but it's struggling there at 192. So I was thinking once it gets to 192, I better get out of it because it has dropped quite a bit. I mean, this thing, if we look at the daily, this thing is so strong that and it's real close to the highs too. It can easily take out the highs, which is 200, a really nice whole number. A lot of stops up there if you're short. Anyways, traders, that's going to be it for us today. Don't see anything else here that looks good. We're up 449. Let's take a look at the trades. 6 trades, 5 winners, 1 loser. Our biggest winner on TWLO and our loser on Z. Thanks for watching.